today we're gonna train now. So yesterday we did. Wait, don't butter. Okay, so guys, yesterday we did training on a short training for new guys, and here's my friend from the school. He wanted to train with me. So today now we're gonna do jogging for the second, and later we're gonna do this. Show them, guys. Okay, so we're about to do it. Okay, jogging first. 3, 2, 1, go. Follow me.
Hindi, okay naman o. Magulay mo ng binagalan eh. Tsaka lagi kamay ganyan.
Okay guys, so I just did 5 laps, so we're just gonna take a break.